It's Mr. Pink. I'm running this 5K. I fucking smoked too much. Way too young to be out of breath. I'm only halfway through. But I get to watch it. I get to run it and watch this air show. Which is kind of cool. So, fuck my life. Don't smoke. A bunch of cool shit on the run like this. Then I'm fucking dying. Oh shit. Alright, I have to go way back there. We gotta run this way first. Oh, fuck me. My throat's dry as shit. And it's, I don't know, it's 85 degrees. Probably about 30% humidity. Oh, fuck me. Somebody. Someone help. Come on. Sloop, where are you when I need you? Fuck. Alright. I'll try to run. See how this goes. This isn't, I just hit 2 miles. I'm not a fat man. So, I should be able to run 3.1 miles. No problem. But I smoke cigarettes. And I drink beer. I don't eat fast food. But I know I don't eat enough vegetables. So I guess I gotta eat more fucking vegetables. Oh, son of a bitch. That's some of Florida for you. There's probably some gators in there. I'm willing to bet. Because that should be fresh water, so there should be gators in there. Oh, you can hear the planes in the distance. Fuck me. Alright. 2 miles down. Alright, shaky, but I'm trying to run a 5K here. Not doing so hot. I think I need a fucking cigarette. Alright. Yeah, I was. I finished the race.
Yay!
We finished the race.
Yay!
I need a cigarette now. There it is. I don't know what it is. I could go see. I go take a picture though.
Drawing will take place Sunday at 4 p.m. You don't have to be here to win. The winner gets half the money. The rest of the money benefits several well-deserving charities, including the Martin
So I figured I want to show you guys my
Foundation,
weekend playing.
The Road to Victory Museum.
That's how I roll.
Special Olympics and ARC of Martin County. Remember, the winner gets half the loot raised.
Bunch of cool shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
Very close to each other.
You thought they were in a hit, huh, Sydney?
Oh my god, it's crazy. They're leaving, aren't they? No, they're just pulling out. They're gonna come join us.
Oh, here they come.
Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and do this regardless.
Back in the man cave. Here we go, folks. 15:26. I don't remember my time, but I got a trophy, motherfuckers. What? I'm gonna quit smoking tomorrow.